Brothers, I bought this beautiful buggy, but it has problems. The previous owner left this floor so broken. It has many holes. There's a big crack, and there it has holes. But it is not a problem. You see, I have a friend that borrowed me his welder. Let me show you his welder. This is the welder he borrowed me, and although I haven't welded before, my friend is not clever, so it will not be difficult to learn. Stick around and learn with me the art of fixing. Okay, so I plugged in the welder. It shows that it is on. Let's now repair the floor. Nothing. I don't know if this is working. This welder seems to be broken. Oh wait, there's another clamp here that I must probably do something with. It looks like it might go on the battery. Let me put that on the battery and then try again. Okay friends, the only logical place to put this battery clamp would be on the battery, but I don't think this welder is a correct welder, because now there's two places. I can put it on this side, which you can see as a minus, and on that side is as a plus. So because I'm going to add the weld, I'm not going to subtract any material. I'm going to put it on the plus sign for plussing material, adding material. Let's come on. Yes, there we go. Let's try now. Oh. No. Okay. Brothers, you couldn't see that now, but this was almost a big fire. Lots and lots of smoke was coming from the inside of the car. I don't think this is correct. Just to be safe, I'm not going to be to the side where I'm adding. I'm going to put this on the minus. Let's try that. I think that's a better choice. It's very confusing. Okay, so let's try again now. I will start here and weld all the way there, and then I'm going to come back here to this point, weld to there, and then I'm going to weld all the way from here to there and fix this thing properly. It's going to be new when I'm done. Okay, let's see now what happens. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I see there is some settings here. It says there V, maybe welding, velocity maybe, and A for probably arcing. Let's make the arcing mode. I don't know, where's the arcing? I don't know, it says let's make this one nice and high. Okay friends, let's now try this again. Okay, again, let me start from this side. Oh my eyes! I need to see Actually, I remember my friend also gave me a funny hat. Let me check that. So this is the hat my friend gave me, but I see now it's not glasses like you would use if you can't see properly. If you look through it, it's very dark. So I'm going to put that on and then see if that works better now, because else it's really hurting eyes if you do it. And I don't know if you're just supposed to close your eyes. We'll see. I'm going to try this again now, and I'm sure this will work very well. What? It's just my no, that that worked, but I think this machine is broken because it just make a big hole. I'm gonna call him and asking if this isn't maybe like a type of cutter machine, because this doesn't work. It's completely made the hole bigger. The car is still smoking. I think this is either a cheap stuff machine or it's completely broken. I'm going to tell the guy to come fetch this and make another plan. But stick around, I'll show you how to properly fix a car floor.